You never know what you're gonna find online. Everybody's creating all these different things. Can you shut that door? Shut the door. TikTok tested smashed chicken parm tacos. It sounds a little crazy. Let's try to make it together. This one starts off with a pound of ground chicken. To that, we're gonna add in some Blackstone Tuscan Herb to zhuzh it up, then some garlic paste, some pecorino romano, grated cheese, a little salt and pepper, give it a mix. Now grab your favorite sized tortilla shells and get that meat mixture spread onto those tortillas. On to the griddle, meat side down, we're gonna let them cook. Now I think the prettiest part of this recipe I saw on TikTok was the arugula and basil that goes on top into a bowl together with a little bit of salt, pepper, and olive oil. Set that aside for now. We'll give our tortillas a flip, lay on a little marinara sauce, or I would suggest doing a little bit marinara because I did a little too much, I think, here.
Don't you mean gravy?
Gravy, it is gravy. Or marinade. Then grab our fresh mozzarella. I got the thin slice, layer your cheese. I'm gonna load these up onto my Blackstone taco rack to help them steam once again. Now I wanna close the lid to my griddle to let this help the cheese melt. Let's give it a peek. This is definitely looking like I added a little too much gravy. Are they looking good, Ethan?
Well, no, once you put the arugula and basil on,
yeah,
then it looks good.
Fill them up with that arugula and basil salad and a little extra Parmesan cheese on the top, a post-dust of the Tuscan herb. And I've got to say, I was scared to death in the middle of this video, but I think they look like I saw on TikTok. Let's give them a try. That might be better than what they look.
How are you gonna eat that?
I don't know. It actually does look pretty good.
No, it 100%.
I've never had chicken parm in a taco. Yep, that's chicken parm, a shortcut chicken parm, smashed taco. I love the arugula on top and that fresh basil. This one, I'd say go try at home. Take it, make it. I cannot wait to see.